My blender. I love my blender. I use it to make smoothies. I blend fruits and vegetables in my blender. I enjoy experimenting with different ingredients in my blender. I can make delicious and healthy drinks with my blender. I bought my blender online. I use it almost every day. I find my blender very convenient. I can easily blend ingredients in my blender. I always clean my blender after using it. I store my blender on the kitchen counter. I like to mix different flavors in my blender. I can make homemade sauces and dressings with my blender. I have a powerful blender that can crush ice. I use my blender to make refreshing smoothies in the summer. I can easily clean the detachable parts of my blender. I use my blender to make homemade baby food. I always make sure to unplug my blender after use. Please subscribe to my channel.